Now, baby, okay, listen. I'm about to list and call names, and also call the numbers of your workers. Jpac, you have ridiculed their destiny, that they have worked for you for years, but you refuse to make them to become responsible. No, now we'll start to call names, and also people, I will give you their numbers so you can reach out to them and call them to confirm if the story that I'm telling, whether it's true or lie. The first person is Mr. White. His number is 090-816-37785. The second person is Mr. Okay. His number is 706-500-7709. Then the third person, his name is, I think, Osas or Osa. His number is 090-391-95700. Then the fourth person is Ike. His number is 080-626-63167. Then the fifth person is Aino, I don't know how they call that. His number is 080-5514-8811. Then Mr. Livingstone, his number is 080-383-2947. Now, Jpac gave me all this information that now all these men have worked for you for the rest of their life. You keep promising them heaven and earth. You promise them that you will change their life. You promise them that you will do all manner of things for them. But at the end of the run, you use them and you dump them. That nobody iga promising that your wife is the person that's controlling you, because your wife goes to church called Watcher Man. I don't know whether there's a church like that. And he said that it not happen when you need who your wife. It not happen when around the vicinity. It's only when you travel. Number who can a peak or wine. And the majority of the women that they complain that ihegi no perempe, that you do not satisfy them. Then one time